classified as follow: first, sensible heat; second, latent heat; third, heat of reaction; fourth, heat of formation; and finally, heat of solution. First, sensible heat. Now, what is meant by sensible heat? Sensible heat is the amount of heat in pure substance at any temperature. Let solid aluminium at 298 K temperature, that is T1, convert to solid aluminium at higher temperature 773 K, that is T2. Here two phases are in solid state but temperature increase. Now what is the enthalpy at higher temperature T2? HT2 equals HT1 plus T1 to T2 Cp dt. So enthalpy at higher temperature for substance is determined by this formula: HT2 equals HT1 plus T1 to T2 Cp dt, whereas Cp is called molar specific heat or heat capacity. Heat capacity, that is also function of temperature. A plus Bt plus C T to the power minus 2 etc. Second is latent heat. Latent heat denoted by capital L. It is a latent heat is a special class of sensible heat. Now this formula is applied whenever there is no matter for phase transformation. If phase transformation occur, then latent heat must be considered. Suppose solid convert to liquid. Here initial temperature Ti, final temperature Tf. If Tm is melting point, here solid convert to liquid, that is solid phase transfer to liquid phase. So if Tm is melting temperature, then Tf greater than Tm greater than Ti, and as here phase transformation occur, latent heat must be considered. So in this case, enthalpy at higher temperature or Tf is determined HT1 HTF equals HTI plus Ti to Tm Cp of solid dt plus Lm. So Lm means latent heat for melting, plus Tm to Tf Cp liquid dt. This equation for phase transformation can be represented in figure clearly, that is temperature, heat, This indicate sensible heat of solid. This is latent heat. Ln, and again temperature increase, that is sensible heat of liquid. So from this figure it is clear that whenever temperature, so here temperature is Tm, melting temperature. Whenever temperature increase in solid from initial temperature to Tm, sensible heat temperature increase, and extra heat to be supplied in the system so that only to phase transformation, and in this case temperature is fixed or constant, and whenever phase transformation is completed, again temperature increase as heat is supplied. So latent heat can be defined as extra heat to be supplied to overcome the barrier during phase transformation at constant temperature or at equilibrium temperature. This is called latent heat. Third is heat of reaction. Heat of reaction. Let reactant convert to product. Reactant convert to product. So here heat of reaction can be represented by del H, or change in enthalpy equals HT2 of product minus HT2 of reactant. So del H is change in enthalpy during the reaction, or it is the difference of enthalpy between product and reactant. So at any temperature T2, del H equals HT2 product minus HT2 reactant. Okay. Next, the most important term regarding enthalpy is heat of formation. Number D, heat of formation. Now, heat of formation is a special class of heat of reaction. Whenever here reaction indicate the formation of compound from its constituent element. Okay. Compound may be oxide, sulfide, carbide, etc. Now, nickel, solid nickel react with oxygen from NiO, solid NiO. Solid nickel react with oxygen form solid nickel oxide. Now it can be represented in equation solid nickel plus half oxygen equals solid NiO. So in this case, heat of formation is represented by del H0F. F stands for formation. 0 means standard. Here temperature is 298 K and pressure is 1 atmosphere. So the del H0F means standard heat of formation. Okay. Is H0 NiO minus H0 Ni minus H0 half H0 oxygen. So that is H0 NiO. This value is 0, this value also 0. So the heat content in compound is equal heat evolved during reaction for the reaction. So heat of solution can be defined as it is the amount of heat that is evolved whenever the compound form its constituent elements, and standard heat of formation means here pressure is taken as 1 atmosphere. Okay, and for any stable element at 298 K temperature and 1 atmosphere pressure, enthalpy value is 0. So nitrogen, oxygen are stable in normal atmosphere pressure, so enthalpy value is 0. And finally, heat of solution A plus B convert to AB. What is meant by heat of solution? The heat that is generated whenever more than one pure element dissolve and they form a solution of homogeneous mixture of the constituent element. Okay, so A plus B, they form AB solution. That is a homogeneous mixture of A and B. So heat of solution can be represented by del H M. M for mixing is H minus H0, whereas H is enthalpy of solution, that is AB, and H0 is enthalpy of pure element. That is A plus B. So this is the heat of solution. Okay, today up to this. Thank you.